Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now when life gives you lemons, you make a baked lemon cheesecake. So this is a dairy-free baked lemon cheesecake and it's got beautiful ingredients throughout and it's flavoursome. Now for the frosting of this cheesecake, we've made a gel which is made from cornstarch. So you can see it here on the top. It is a beautiful, looks like lemon curd, but actually it's not. And we'll put the ingredients for that particular frosting at the bottom of this video in the comment section. Now, if you're enjoying my other videos, please make sure hit that subscribe button, and you can also follow me on Instagram at Dishes with David. But for now, let's make cheesecake. So that's how you make a baked lemon cheesecake. Now, I've made a topping, as you can see, it's got a lovely gelatine finish. But this is made just with water, cornflour, sugar, lemon juice, and some saffron to give it the color. So the recipe for this will be down below in the comments section. But as you can see, the cheesecake itself looks perfect. Now it's time to taste. It's beautiful, creamy, zesty. The lemon is beautiful. It works all the way through the cheesecake. Highly recommend this, and it's dairy-free, even better. So remember, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at Dishes with David, and we'll see you next time. Bye.